Yo guys, it's real. Today we're playing another. This is gonna be a lot. I'm without today because she's at school at the moment, so I'm recording, which is kind of upsetting, but it's all right. So basically, this video is you're gonna see Stop It Slender. That scared me. You're gonna see me play Stop It Slender in action. And this is going to be like a 15% of my editing thing that I'm doing. Slender just left the what is it called? Left the game. We just don't care about, so normally I just skip the whole thing, but I can't this time. And with horror, which she's not busy in. The 6 tunes playing. Hopefully I don't get. Last time I got Citizen. There's 3 roles in Stop It Slender. There's Citizen, Proxy, and Slender. Which Slender's the easiest because you get to go around and killing people. Just like I can hear now. No. Let me activate stupid person. This person knew what I was doing, so. Ah! Mama's. Jesus. Stop following me. Just a casual person following me. Which is not okay. She activated 2 generators. I wanted to activate one of them. Oh no. I don't know about you guys, but I think that this Slender's This Slender has done pretty well. Jesus! Stop getting off me! What am I doing wrong? Just doing my own thing and it comes searching for me. Got one of the pages at least. Oh no, not gonna make it. Oh jeez. I'm going to turn my sound down. So, jeez. It's gonna be so creepy. You can just MB if you want, Slender. Just do it. Like, I'll be honest, I have no idea where I'm going. Just wait, you couldn't do it. Wait. The page found. Oh, nice. So if you guys hate this, if you've ever played the game before, oh my god, if there's so much lag, it's so annoying. Where are you, Slender? Oh. What the? Oh. I'm gonna die anyway, guys. I'm surviving on that. Oh, jeez. On 9%. No, I'm not. That's one more. I'm sorry, guys. Everyone who's watching. I tried it. That's my avatar, by the way. And Thomas, my cat. I'm just normally don't bother about pages, but knowing me, I'm fine with them. So, yep, Slender went. Come on! I was that close. Okay. So in case you guys are wondering, all of these players play with me on the server. Next game is gonna be this game. Oh, next game is gonna be really fun. For Citizen for the third time, which you told me die at. Jeez, I just spawned straight into a wall. How did that happen? All citizens, try and stay together this time. To be honest. So yeah, anyway, as I was saying beforehand, you get chosen at random to be Slender. And why is someone after me? So I don't get. No one's after me. And also you get chosen out to be proxy, but it's common for proxy to come. Guys, as I said last video, I did tell you that I was going to do the 3 AM park at the park. Or at the not the park, the graveyard, but sadly I wasn't allowed to because of the new video that Don Vlogs posted about all new guidelines. They won't. Yeah. I hope YouTube don't mind if I do that video, but I hope they don't. Because all I promised my subscribers I would do it. It's so weird, I'm like recording by myself. And what is that noise? I collected 3 pages. Jeez. I'm racking up these pages all along. Alright, Slender, I'm in for a long night for you. I do not know where I'm going. Yeah, guys, I don't know what I'm doing. Guys, I hear Slender, but I don't think Slender's me, which is suspicious, because he normally go. Okay, someone else is down. It's because normally he finds me first. There's my noise to find. Wait, where the hell am I going? Oh, another page. Jesus. found those of my friends. They're not my friends though. Oh, geez, alright. Maybe there's a page in there. I can't tell. Oh! I've been taken. Oh. Alright guys, so I'm going to end this video here. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and leave a like on this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!